Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you washing machine error code 4C or 4E and how we can fix it. Here I am using Samsung front load fully automatic washing machine. So here you can see the 4C error code. This error code indicates that washing machine has detected a problem with water supply. We can easily fix this error code. Just we need to check couple of things. First, check the water hose and ensure that water is flowing at high pressure on the main water supply to the machine. Then check the water supply. Check that the water tap connected to the washing machine is open to full. Then clean the water hose mesh filter. Then clean the dispenser drawer. Just check these things. Then just press the play or pause button. So that way we can just fix this 4C or 4E error.